Many first-time importers think that once their goods arrive in Nigeria, they can simply pay a few charges and take delivery. Unfortunately, that's not how it works. Before Nigeria Customs releases your cargo, several important documents must be presented. If even one document is missing or contains incorrect information, your goods may be delayed, attract storage charges, or in serious cases be seized. In today's video, I will explain each of these documents in simple terms, show you what they are used for, and give practical example so you can import with confidence. Why these documents matter. Every shipment entering Nigeria is carefully examined by customs. The documents help them answer important questions. 1. Who owns these goods? 2. Where did they come from? 3. What exactly is inside the containers? 4. How much are the goods worth? 5. Have the correct duties and taxes been paid? These documents protect both the government and the genuine importers by ensuring that goods are properly declared and cleared. Now come with me, let's explain this document one after the other. 1. Commercial invoice. The commercial invoice is one of the most important documents in international trade. It is issued by your supplier and serves as the official bill for the goods you are buying. A typical commercial invoice includes the supplier's name, the buyer's details, a description of goods, quantity, unit price, total value, and the agreed shipping terms. For example, if you are importing 500 Bluetooth speakers at $5 each, the invoice will show a total value of $2,500. Custom uses this document when assessing import duties. 2. Packing list. The packing list explains how your shipment is arranged. It tells customs and the freight company how many cartons or pallets are included, what each one contains, and their weight and dimensions. Imagine your shipment contains 10 cartons. The packing list might show that each carton contains 50 Bluetooth speakers. During inspection, custom can quickly locate and verify the contents. 3. Bill of lading or a Waybill. If your goods are shipped by sea, you will receive a bill of lading. If they are shipped by air, you will receive an a Waybill. These documents act as a proof that the carrier has received your cargo for transportation. They also identify the consignee, destination, and the shipment details. Without them, your cargo cannot be released. 4. Form M. Form M is an official import declaration required for most commercial imports into Nigeria. It is processed before the goods are shipped and contains details about the supplier, importer, products, shipping method, and payment terms. Without a properly processed Form M, clearing commercial cargo can become very difficult. 5. PAAR. PAAR stands for Pre-Arrival Assessment Report. After reviewing your import documents, Customs issue this report to determine the custom value, classification, and import duty payable. A correct PAAR helps speed up the clearance process, while errors may lead to delays or further inspection. 6. SONCAP Certificate. Some products require SONCAP Certificate before they can be imported into Nigeria. This certificate confirms that regulated products need the required quality and safety standards. Products such as electrical appliances, cables, and some electronics commonly require SONCAP certificate. These documents are also issued by SON, Standard Organization of Nigeria, a government agency required and mandated to make sure that the goods imported into the country is of good and quality standard. 7. NAFDAC Permit. If you are importing food, beverages, cosmetics, medical devices, pharmaceutical, or certain chemical, approval from the relevant regulatory authorities may be required before customs releases your shipment. These documents are issued by NAFDAC, National Agency for Food, Drugs Administration and Control. Other supporting documents. Depending on your shipment, customs may also require an insurance certificate, certificate of origin, delivery order, proof of duty payment, or other supporting documents. For example, let's say you are importing 500 laptops from China. Your supplier prepares the commercial invoice and packing list, why the shipping company issues the bill of lading. Then before shipment, Form M is processed, after which customs reviews your document. PAAR is issued. If the goods require regulatory approval, you will obtain the necessary certificate. Once duties are paid and custom is satisfied, your cargo is released for delivery. Common mistakes. Many beginners make these mistakes. 1. Wrong invoice value. 2. Wrong product description. 3. Missing packing list. 4. Wrong consignee name. 5. Missing Form M. 6. Incorrect HS code. These errors often lead to delay in inspection, penalties, or extra storage charges. Tips for new importers. Always ask your supplier to prepare accurate documents. Double check all names and quantities. Keep digital and printed copies. Work with a licensed custom agent when needed. Ensure all regulatory approvals are obtained before goods arrive. Finally, cargo clearance isn't just about paying duty. It's about having the right paperwork. When your documents are complete and accurate, custom can process your shipment much more smoothly. Understanding these documents before you import can help you avoid delays, unexpected costs, and unnecessary stress. I hope this guide has helped you understand the key documents needed to clear cargo in Nigeria. If you have questions, leave them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with anyone planning to start importation business. Also, remember to contact me if you are interested and looking for a reliable custom agent to clear your goods. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.